Welcome back to the Kids WB Burpalicious Belch-A-Thon. It's time for our next 3 Belchers.
I have been waiting for 3,000 years to let that one rip.
The mummy wins. Stay tuned. There's more Kids WB. Burpalicious Belch-A-Thon coming your way. And now we're back with round 2 of the Kids WB Burpalicious Belch-A-Thon. Hey, no belching in the bleachers. It's time to welcome back our returning champs. Rip it, guys.